Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty Marination. As we all know, Christmas is around the corner, so today I'm gonna share with you a recipe of strawberry Swiss roll. The speciality of this recipe is that no baking is needed in it. My easiest Swiss roll recipe and great fun to make with family and friends. You can make them for the upcoming new year as well. So let's see what you need for this. 2 to 3 tablespoons of strawberry crush. This is homemade strawberry crush. I do have a recipe available on my YouTube channel. You can check out the link in the description box below. 2 to 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, some tutti frutti, 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup, some whipped cream, and ready-made fondant. If you want to buy ready-made fondant, link is given in the description box below. And 4 slices of sandwich bread. Here I am using sandwich bread because it's bigger in size. If you don't find this sandwich bread easily, you can use your regular bread as well. Take a slice of bread. Now I am gonna cut the edges from all around. Now I have removed all the edges. Now place the bread slice on a piece of cling film, like so. Now I am gonna wet the bread slice slightly with some sugar syrup. Now I am gonna spread some strawberry crush. Next, spread some whipped cream. Leaving half an inch at the end. Spread it evenly. Now roll it like so. Now our roll is ready. Keep it in the fridge for 2 hours to set. Meanwhile, we will prepare some fondant flowers for the rolls. Roll out the fondant thin. Now I am going to cut it with a plunger cutter. Now apply some water. Water acts as a glue. Place a tutti frutti right in the center and press it gently. So our flower is ready. Same way prepare all of them. It's been 2 hours. I have taken my roll out of the refrigerator. Now apply some strawberry crush. And sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top of it. So our roll is ready. Now I am gonna cut them into 1/2 inch thick pieces. Our rolls are looking very beautiful. Now place the fondant flour right in the center, like so. Press it gently. Our beautiful strawberry Swiss rolls are ready to serve. They taste as good as regular Swiss rolls. You can use chocolate sauce to make chocolate Swiss rolls. If you don't have strawberry crush, you can use strawberry jam as well. Keep in mind, for this recipe you have to use fresh bread, and don't wet the bread too much with the sugar syrup, otherwise your bread might break. After watching the recipe, if you like my video, do hit the like button and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to Tasty Marination for more such interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.